Brighton is a great place for you if you're an international student. You get to meet people from different nationalities, and it's just great getting to know other cultures.
People are so incredibly welcoming. That's really kind of what makes it very special, that you're not only part of the institution, but you're part of this really wider, diverse community.
I found the student support is really helpful in University of Brighton throughout my undergrad year and also my master year.
There's a lot of emphasis on students' well-being, and that support carries through your entire time here.
I think the facilities that they provide is really good.
The University of Brighton has facilities that could be used by everyone. Big seminar rooms, labs that are fully equipped with whatever you might need. Brighton is a place for you to grow and develop.
It's not just the way you're taught, and when we talk about things like employability, it's the fact that academics go out of their way to provide you with opportunities linked to your course, whether that's building cars, or that's engaging in research, or that's putting on a networking event. The university is a highly creative environment. The quality of learning is very dynamic. The lectures are very passionate and engaging.
I think University of Brighton definitely having an impact of affecting our creativity and also our ability to create something different. Brighton is a very nice city. When you live in it, you feel like you're in holiday. That's why I choose Brighton to balance the busy life in uni.
People in Brighton, I think, really celebrate their differences, and they wear them, I think, very proudly. And it is really the place where you can be whoever you want to be, and you don't have to worry about that.
No matter who you are or what your interests are, there is a place for you and a place for you to grow and develop.
Brighton brings out the best in you. And you come to university to grow as a person and to be challenged. Brighton really, I think, pushed me forward, and it prepares you to be a global citizen.